Crash Course on Mexican Culture, an exploration of the unique and diverse culture of Mexico, including art, music, and festivals. Crash Course on Mexican Culture. Mexico, a land of vibrant colors, rich traditions, and a captivating blend of indigenous and Spanish influences. Its culture is a tapestry woven with ancient civilizations, colonial history, and contemporary expressions of art, music, and festivals. In this crash course, we will delve into the diverse aspects of Mexican culture, share intriguing stories and examples, explore the top 12 Mexican festivals, and conclude with a poem and a song that capture the essence of this captivating culture. Mexican art. Mexican art is a reflection of the country's cultural heritage, history, and the creativity of its people. From ancient Mesoamerican art to the works of renowned modern artists, Mexico's art scene is a treasure trove of inspiration and expression. One notable artist is Frida Kahlo, whose bold and introspective paintings continue to captivate audiences worldwide. Mariachi music. Mariachi music, with its lively rhythms and passionate melodies, is an integral part of Mexican culture. Originating in Jalisco, this traditional music genre is characterized by the use of mariachi bands consisting of violins, trumpets, guitars, and the distinctive guitarra. Day of the Dead. Day of the Dead, or Dia de los Muertos, is a unique Mexican holiday celebrated on November 1st and 2nd. It is a time to honor and remember deceased loved ones, with colorful altars, marigold flowers, sugar skulls, and visits to cemeteries. Lucha Libre. Lucha Libre, Mexican professional wrestling, is a spectacle that combines athleticism, theatrics, and colorful masks. It has become an iconic part of Mexican pop culture, captivating audiences with its high-flying acrobatics and larger-than-life characters. Pre-Hispanic ruins. Mexico is home to numerous ancient ruins, such as Chichen Itza, Teotihuacan, and Palenque, which offer a glimpse into the fascinating world of pre-Hispanic civilizations like the Maya and Aztecs. These archaeological sites are a testament to Mexico's rich history and cultural heritage. Cuisine. Mexican cuisine is renowned worldwide for its bold flavors and diverse ingredients. From the spicy chilies and aromatic herbs to the traditional dishes like tacos, tamales, and mole, Mexican food is a gastronomic delight that reflects the country's vibrant culture. The Ballet Folklorico. The Ballet Folklorico is a dance ensemble that showcases Mexico's traditional folk dances and costumes. With intricate footwork, colorful dresses, and lively music, it celebrates the cultural diversity and regional traditions of the country. Piñatas. Piñatas, colorful papier-mâché figures filled with candies and treats, are an integral part of Mexican celebrations, especially during birthdays and Christmas festivities. Breaking a piñata has become a joyful and eagerly anticipated tradition. The Guelaguetza Festival. The Guelaguetza Festival, held annually in Oaxaca, is a celebration of indigenous cultures and traditions. It brings together communities from different regions, showcasing their music, dance, and traditional clothing. The Feria de San Marcos. The Feria de San Marcos is one of Mexico's largest fairs, held in the city of Aguascalientes. It features rodeos, bullfights, music, dancing, and traditional crafts, attracting visitors from all over the country. Semana Santa. Semana Santa, or Holy Week, is a significant religious celebration in Mexico. It commemorates the last days of Jesus Christ, with processions, reenactments, and religious ceremonies taking place across the country. The Cervantino Festival. The Cervantino Festival, held in Guanajuato, pays homage to Miguel de Cervantes, the author of Don Quixote. It is a renowned international arts festival that showcases theater, music, dance, and visual arts from around the world. Summary. Mexican culture is a tapestry of ancient traditions, colonial influences, and contemporary expressions. From the vibrant art scene to the rhythmic mariachi music, from the colorful Day of the Dead celebrations to the captivating Lucha Libre matches, Mexico offers a rich and diverse cultural experience. The cuisine tantalizes the taste buds with its bold flavors, while the ancient ruins and archaeological sites reveal the country's fascinating history. Festivals like the Guelaguetza and Feria de San Marcos bring communities together, celebrating their heritage with music, dance, and traditional customs. Mexican culture is a celebration of life, art, and the unique blend of indigenous and Spanish influences that shape the nation. Poem, Colors of Mexico. In Mexico's embrace, a vibrant tapestry unfolds, where ancient echoes mingle with stories untold. Colors dance upon the canvas of the land, from turquoise seas to mountains that grandly stand. Mariachi melodies fill the air with zest, stirring hearts with passion, in every fiesta's crest. The scent of marigolds and copal sweet guides ancestors' spirits with love replete. Day of the Dead, a celebration profound. As souls return, blessings in abundance abound. Skulls adorned with flowers, a vibrant sight, reminding us of life's fleeting flight. Pre-Hispanic ruins whisper tales of old civilizations mighty, their stories bold. Temples and pyramids reach for the sky, echoing the past, where ancient empires lie. Ballet Folklorico, a symphony of grace. Spinning and twirling, cultures interlace. From Jalisco to Oaxaca's fertile ground. Dances and costumes, traditions unbound. Piñatas swinging, joy fills the air. Laughter and cheer, with candies to share. Children's gleeful smiles, eyes shining bright, as dreams take flight on this joyous night. Guelaguetza, a tapestry of pride. Indigenous traditions, side by side. From the mountains of Oaxaca they gather, to celebrate heritage, united, they'd rather. Semana Santa, solemn and serene. A journey of faith, devotion, and routine. Processions winding through ancient streets. A sacred spectacle, where devotion meets. Cervantino Festival, art in its glory. A stage for the world, a captivating story. Guanajuato awakens, with culture embraced. A global symphony, where talents are graced. Mexico's culture, a kaleidoscope of hues. A captivating blend, where old and new fuse. From art to music, festivals to embrace. A vibrant mosaic, with endless grace. Song, Rhythms of Mexico. Verse 1. In Mexico's embrace, where culture intertwines. A land of rhythm and colors that forever shines. From the mariachi's melodies that fill the air, to the ancient ruins, stories to share. Chorus. Oh, the rhythms of Mexico, they call my soul. From the lively streets to the stories untold. In every celebration and festival's embrace, I feel the heartbeat of this vibrant place. Verse 2. Day of the Dead, a celebration of love and life. As we honor the spirits, free from worldly strife. The Ballet Folklorico takes the stage, dancing traditions that span every age. Chorus. Oh, the rhythms of Mexico, they call my soul. From the lively streets to the stories untold. In every celebration and festival's embrace, I feel the heartbeat. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Mexico has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Mexico, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.